Good afternoon. My name is Alejandra Cuevas. In this video, I'm going to talk about the memory experience that I have had recently in my life. My memory experience arranged getting a sales job that I'll do my do study. Also have a beautiful girl and spending quality time with my family. Also, did I be do with promotion and word demands to get to have quality have. And quality experience is having this daily life and very heavy necessary attention and love to my family. I love to achieve my goals and set good example for my daughter. Have you had important experience in your life? What is this and the video of memory spaces until I next opportunity. Goodbye.